Welcome to the Rim Brake Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to replace hood struts on a Toyota Avalon. First, gather your tools: a flathead screwdriver, a small pick tool, and your new hood struts. Safety is paramount, so ensure the hood is securely propped open with a sturdy support rod. This prevents accidental closure during the replacement process. Working in a well-lit area will also help you clearly see the small clips and attachment points, making the job much easier and safer. Now, let's remove the old hood struts. Each strut has two ends, connected by ball joints and secured with small retaining clips. Use your flathead screwdriver or a pick tool to carefully pry open these clips. Once the clips are disengaged, gently pull the strut away from the ball joint connections. Remember to remove only one strut at a time. This ensures the hood remains supported by the other strut, preventing it from falling unexpectedly. Installing the new hood struts is straightforward. Begin by aligning one end of the new strut with its corresponding ball joint stud. Firmly press the strut onto the stud until you hear a distinct click, confirming it's securely seated. Repeat this process for the other end of the strut. Double-check that both retaining clips are fully engaged over the ball joints. This ensures the strut will not accidentally detach, providing reliable support for your hood. After installing both new struts, it's time for the final checks. Carefully lower and then raise your hood several times. Observe how smoothly it operates and confirm that it stays securely open without any sagging. This simple test ensures everything is working correctly. Remember to properly dispose of your old hood struts. With your new struts in place, you'll enjoy improved safety and convenience every time you open your hood.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.